tuning in with Life with Keezy, and today I'm back with another video. But before we get into it, I need you to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Turn on your post notifications so you don't miss another drop. Follow me on Instagram at KeezyThis_KeezyThat. Again, that is KeezyThis_KeezyThat. So,
and you can follow me on Instagram at _PoppinAssBree. Again, that is _PoppinAssBree.
Alright, look, y'all. So, we got something up our sleeve. So basically, I'm about to act like I'm washing the dishes, but in the middle, I'm gonna put the blood all on my shirt and everything. So in the middle of me washing the dishes, I'm gonna act like my hand got stuck in the disposal or something. You feel me? So y'all make sure y'all like this. And my mama going, ooh.
She about to be.
So I'm trying to get everybody in the house, so y'all tune in. You feel me? You ready for this one?
I'm ready.
Finally got her in on helping me on the prank, so y'all stay tuned. If y'all like this and want to see more of her up in there, make sure y'all like this up, alright? And subscribe. And subscribe, you feel me? We get to y'all when we get to the prank.
Oh, no. What is that?
Then
the chili too. Let me turn it down.
that ice cream was that the good last night?
Yeah.
What you got? Strawberry ice cream?
Yes, and the strawberries, I like it because the strawberries is like frozen with it.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my god, it was like so good. I was like, oh yeah. You smell that?
Huh?
It was good. You like the mint chocolate chip one? You like the mint one?
Yeah.
The mint one cool.
It just had the minty.
Yeah. I said, chili's gonna be there in no time. That another one tastes up. That strawberry one is good. This one.
In the kids' room?
No, here. Nakia.
Call the ambulance.
Oh my God. Nakia. I'ma beat your ass.
Nakia! Stop!
What the fuck, bud?
That's not funny.
What the fuck?
King out of pocket. King over here laughing.
What happened? Where the blood at? What? Like, you about to get your mama a fucking heart attack. Yeah, beat her motherfucking ass. But I seen all that blood.
I can't even
You see all that? I said her shit is gone. Them finger, I thought I said blood.
No, don't have her feel nothing. She was
Yeah, no. No, her chest is beating like heck of fast though. It is.
Blood, I seen all that shit.
my God. And it wasn't funny because she almost failed the kid trying to get
I know,
you.
I was holding her like this on my shoulder. I was trying so hard not to.
Bruh, you beat her ass the most.
I couldn't even keep it going. Y'all know what
I'm looking, I'm like, wait a minute, because I'm like, wait.
Y'all know
ain't that stupid? Like, hold on, wait a minute. Nakia. Feel my
Jillian got out the bathroom was like, hold on. You know, her chest is beating heck.
my legs shaking.
Y'all, we got this.
Damn, bro.
Mike was like trying to struggle with the phone. It wasn't funny. I was trying to laugh. I had to walk away. I said, I can't.
You didn't peek? Every time you kept walking, you didn't peek?
And I heard you.
When you kept...
All I seen was hella thinking. I said
No, but when you
I'm
was
like,
walking back and forth, I kept moving because I was pouring the blood on my shirt.
Oh.
That's not funny.
Angela, you alright.
That's not funny.
Damn, bro.
Y'all know it's Halloween time.
Me, I'm over there like, that's not funny.
And then I thought y'all didn't hear me because the thing was hecka loud.
I panicked. I seen that. I'm like, what the fuck are you holding?
She gonna turn it back on.
I was trying
But she probably was trying to like hurry up
I'm
and
like,
do it.
because I heard it, so I think it's still on, because I see
Nigga, you got it right there.
I'ma clean it up some Clorox.
No, but it was just like we had to get y'all. We
I said I've been letting y'all. I ain't got y'all. Yeah, I just keep pranking Bree.
Yeah, she just keep pranking me. She be pranking me every time I get off of work. Like, She was like this with it. She was holding you like this.
My bad, y'all.
No, fuck all bad. I'm mad. I'm pissing. I'm finna prank them. Bro, I seen all that blood in that tank. I said, and it's thick too. I'm like, oh, call that, cause her shit is gone. Like,
Oh my God,
I'm like,
I got them, y'all.
I'm like, you can't
If y'all
work.
like
I just
that.
hella shit start going to my head. I'm like, oh,
Dang,
it's
just laying up the
over.
phone.
They gonna think you gangbanging for the rest of your life. Cause I just knew two of them was, man, that's not, I'm fucking you.
Anyways, y'all, if y'all like that, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Turn on your post notifications so you don't miss when I drop. Follow me on Instagram at KeezyThis_KeezyThat. Again, that is KeezyThis_KeezyThat. And I'm out. Peace.